How to three-way call on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can make a three-way call on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up your phone application, then call the first person as usual. After that, once the first person picks up the call, you have to tap on the three dot, then tap on add call, and now you could add or select the second person that you want to add. Now when the second call connects again, you have to tap on merge or merge calls to join everyone into one call. After that, now all three of you can talk together, and that's your three-way call. Once you have finished your call, you could tap on the red end call button to disconnect all of your participants, and you cannot remove just one person individually unless your carrier supports advanced options. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.